All right, Jess. You gonna be scared?
Very terrified of all these fake dinosaurs.
No, you do jump every time the Carnotaurus comes out.
The what?
Carnotaurus.
Oh, okay. Only because it's loud.
Or Carnosaurus, I don't know. So I think we did a good job getting this fast pass.
Yeah, that was really good.
40 minutes and we've already did all of that.
For me, this ride's not worth that amount of time. So
True.
This is good. Good use of a fast pass.
So, trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me. Let's talk about you, and how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover.
So we are leaving Animal Kingdom, maybe.
Well, maybe.
We're trying to find a way out and it won't let us leave.
I know how to get out. We're going over here to the Oasis and to the place in the middle with the tree and the things.
If you say so.
I'm a little dizzy because we just got done with Primeval World.
It was.
Look, there's an Auburn hat right there. I'm going to say Regal, but I don't want to be a creeper either.
Yeah, that's true. Well, yeah, Primeval World was a lot more twisty and bumpy than I remember.
Yeah, it is, that last little bit there at the end when they stopped the car, that one killed me.
Yeah, that was, you were very dramatic, and the little girls that we were riding with probably thought you were ridiculous.
Well, we thought they were going to puke the whole time.
Yeah.
It was a little scary.
But we made it.
So can we just say that Jessica's nightmare keeps happening? The macaws keep flying over.
Yes, there are
There they go
birds
again.
everywhere.
They just did.
You're lying.
But she like flinches every single time.
I'm sorry that I don't like birds.
Well, I'm proud of you for doing the bird show. There you come. And Jessica's ready.
Here, if those birds decide to come back with some training, so we'll get to that. We will reward them by giving them one of their favorite snacks. Positive reinforcement basically means that they do something we like, they get something they like. And a lot of times, that can mean their favorite treat. Sometimes it can mean a sprinkler on a hot day, or an ice cube, or just time with you. They can even leave the park. Some of them have been over to Epcot, Coronado Springs, spent the night.
Did you have fun today?
It was a lot of fun. Now on to Hollywood Studios.
Hollywood Studios, and maybe even our resort at some point tonight.
At some point.
Alright, let's go catch the tram. It's time for some Hollywood Studios. Get excited.
You're so dumb.